I think this is a pretty place. I think I should come back more here because especially in summer and spring, this becomes a very beautiful place. And right now it's winter, so all the trees are ugly, and you can only see the, how do you say that? I don't know the words, but trunks? No, never mind. So yeah, I am in another place, another location, and you can see that everything is brown. It's ugly. That's why I don't like winter, but even winter has its own pretty side, I guess. I think we can call this survival mode. It's like a season of survival mode because the trees are trying to survive in winter, in cold weather. So that's why the trees, they don't have leaves or anything. But yeah, they are beautiful anyways. Even if they don't have green, you can see green or anything. So I'm like on the other side of the park. The other week, yeah, I was in another side, on the other side, and this is pretty and I like it. I don't have a job, so I have free time to do things right now, to go out and explore nature as usual. And yeah, I don't really know what to do because I don't have anyone to help me to film anything. So I'm just showing you what I see right now, where I am and what place I am. So here on the back you can see the house. I don't live there anyways, so it's fine. So yeah. I feel like it's very hard to set the camera or anything. I am struggling. Yeah. So you can see the trees. This is my hand. It's against the light, but I like this view also. Let's see. Even this part is very cute and nice as well. I like the sounds of the water. I like this place. It's very peaceful. Even this part is very nice. I like it as well. Oh, I like rivers. I like this place. I love it. It's very good. I am relaxing. I don't know why, but my heart beats faster right now. I don't know. Maybe I'm anxious, overthinking, or anything. I don't know. Or maybe I'm not relaxed or something. I don't know. I think I'm not even stressed or anything. Just I don't feel anything right now. So, bro. Never mind. I can hear the helicopter and it's pretty loud. I'm not sure if you can hear the same. I think. Here you go. This is the, how do you call this? How do you call this? Bridge. Okay. This is the bridge. It's where I go for a walk. I think later I'm gonna show you when I come back home how is the view from that spot. Okay. It's very sunny. I like it. I think I need sunscreen because the sun is getting very hot. Yeah, for my skin. Anyways, never mind. I think I'm going home. This is a very short video because I still have anything. I still have a lot of things to do right now. Even though I don't have a job, and even though I don't work, I need to do a lot of things today. Yeah, this is the life of a busy person, you know. Yeah. I like it. This is so good. I'm gonna take a picture. Wait, okay. Nice. I think we can also learn something from this plant because they crawl and they stay firm into the tree, the trunk of the tree. It's not really a trunk. How do you call this? Is it a trunk? My mind is so blank as well. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to speak in English. Anyways, I like this plant because they have like that roots or something. I don't know if you call that roots or yeah, and to hold on the trunk of the tree to stay firm or something. It's very nice because you know it reminds me too that I can't be alone. I need energy. I need to hold, to hold something, to hold our Creator, to hold God. You know, I am a religious person, so yeah, we need God in our life. And we can't be alone. Yeah, I think I don't know the right way to describe you this, but I think you understand. Okay, I don't have much time right now, so I am going home. And this is very nice. I think I'm getting better to film something. Haha, I'm not sure. I just need to learn to hold this camera with my two hands because I don't have anything. I'm using my hands. Lol. Maybe when I will change phone, I can film better because I will just be using one hand instead of using two. Also because this camera is very big and it's heavy. It's you know, to take pictures, not really to film something. Yeah. Okay, someone is watching me, so I gotta turn off the camera. Bye bye. Okay, I think this is the view that I was telling you before. I was in this part. I was here, and now I am on the bridge. So this is the bridge. It's very loud, and I don't know if you can hear my voice. I'm not sure because you can hear the noise of the river. Yeah. Yeah, very, very loud. Never mind. I think I should try to speak Tagalog. What if I make a video of just me trying to speak Tagalog every time? I think I can because I have mother language Tagalog, so. Kaya ko to, kaya ko. Kaya mo yan, girl. Kaya ko, girl. Sorry. Okay. I just learned something today. It's just a thought that I have on my mind and I want to share you. It's about, when maybe you wasn't used to, you never received love before when you was a child, and the thing is, when you grow up, you learn that love is strange, and that it will be hard for you to show love and to receive it as well. So your nervous system also will see love as something strange or hard to get or to receive or to show, and it's not their fault, I guess. So yeah, I think that's just a thought that I have right now, but I wanted to tell you more about it, but I don't have time. I have to go, so maybe I can explain it to you in another video.